Today we are making chicken supreme pizza. Ingredients. For the dough: 2 cups warm water, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 teaspoon active dry yeast, 3½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons olive oil. For the toppings: 1 boneless skinless chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 cup bell peppers sliced, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, ½ a cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, salt and pepper to taste. Pizza sauce. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Make the dough combine warm water, sugar and yeast, salt, and olive oil. Mix until a dough forms. Knead for 5 to 7 minutes. Let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes. Add flour. Roll out the dough to a thickness of 1/4 inch. Transfer the dough to a greased pizza pan. Spread pizza sauce over the dough, leaving a small border. Top with chicken, onion, garlic, mushrooms, bell peppers, mozzarella, and cheddar cheese. Sprinkle oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Or until crust is golden brown and cheese is melted and bubbly. Optional. Add some spice with red pepper flakes or jalapenos. Add some freshness with chopped parsley or cilantro. Tips. Don't overload the pizza with toppings. Let the pizza rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. The calorie count for a supreme chicken pizza can vary depending on the size, crust thickness, and specific toppings. Here's an approximate breakdown. Small supreme chicken pizza, 10 to 12 inches. Calories 1200 to 1500. Fat 30 to 40 g. Saturated fat 10 to 12 g. Sodium 1500 to 2000 milligrams. Carbohydrates 100 to 120 g. Protein 50 to 60 g. Medium supreme chicken pizza, 14 to 16 inches. Calories 2000 to 2500. Fat 50 to 60 g. Saturated fat 15 to 18 g. Sodium 2500 to 3000 milligrams. Carbohydrates 150 to 180 g. Protein 80 to 100 g. Large supreme chicken pizza, 18 to 20 inches. Calories 3000 to 3500. Fat 70 to 80 g. Saturated fat 20 to 25 g. Sodium 3500 to 4000 milligrams. Carbohydrates 200 to 240 g. Protein 120 to 150 g. Toppings contributing to calorie count. Chicken 200 to 300 calories. Mozzarella cheese 100 to 150 calories. Cheddar cheese 50 to 100 calories. Pepperoni 100 to 150 calories. Sausage 100 to 150 calories. Mushrooms 20 to 50 calories. Onions 20 to 50 calories. Bell peppers 20 to 50 calories. Olives 50 to 100 calories. Crust options affecting calorie count. Thin crust 10 to 20% fewer calories. Thick crust 10 to 20% more calories. Gluten-free crust variable calorie count.